I'm Greg Healy. I'm the CTO for Sistema Plastics, a company based in Auckland, New Zealand. We make storage boxy solutions. The business challenges for us, especially being in the location that New Zealand is, we're very remote compared to many other places. Logistics costs are a big impact onto us. So we have to offset those logistic costs by being as efficient and as cost effective within our business as we possibly can be. Epicor ERP is the thing that now enables us to start to be planning more effectively. So further efficiencies that we can gain throughout the business, which have nothing to do with automation, are better planning, better resource management, better cycling of simple things like colour changes. For us, it's an important thing to reduce the amount of time between jobs by maximising downtime. Kinetic MES is our execution system where we can react, where we can start looking at the scrap down times and the run times and start to better analyse where we are still losing time on the shop floor. The REST API that Epicor have built into the system enables us to combine Kinetic and Epicor and other systems together to be able to produce a holistic display onto the shop floor. So Kinetic's been an integral part of our business for 10 plus years. Without it, our shop floor would not know what to make, wouldn't know when to make it. Without the two systems, we wouldn't be able to run an effective operation.